Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play 2048 balls in Winzo. This engaging puzzle game challenges you to combine numbered balls to reach a higher value. Your main objective is to merge identical balls, aiming to create the ultimate 2048 ball. It's a game of strategy and quick thinking, where every move counts towards your success. The core of 2048 balls involves dropping numbered balls into a playing field. When two balls with the same number collide, they merge into a single ball with their combined value. For example, two 2-balls become a 4-ball. Carefully aim your drops to set up future merges and prevent the board from filling up too quickly. To excel, try to keep your highest numbered balls near the bottom of the screen, creating a clear path for new merges. Look for opportunities to create chain reactions, where one merge triggers several others, boosting your score significantly. Some versions of the game may offer power-ups, like a bomb to clear balls, which can be strategically used. Ultimately, your goal is to achieve the 2048 ball, or even higher, to maximize your score. Always prioritize clearing space to prevent the game from ending prematurely due to a full board. Consistent practice will sharpen your aiming and strategic thinking, helping you master the physics and become a top player in 2048 balls.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.